Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Carlos Diez Acero, specialist in orthodontics. I'm practicing in London and in Madrid. I'm also privileged to be one of the key opinion leaders at Medimass Laboratories, where I will be leading the aligner course. For the fixed retainer, you can see we have a wire, the pre-settled wire. You can use that one, but I'm gonna show you today how you can do your own one by using like normal things that we have in our practice, like these ligatures, metallic ligatures, and using these two pliers. Okay, we have the option of using normal, you can buy it, or this is in case you don't have it or you have an emergency. This kind of ligatures, you can find it almost in all the practices, and it can save you from an emergency. So basically we just take both of them, okay? We place them together. We hold first on one side, okay? And with the other, we're gonna hold the other side. Okay, like here, we go all the way there. We have both, and we start rolling like this. This way we will have our own fixed retainer. If you add more ligatures, it will be thicker, okay? Here what we will need to do is just measure it. We measure the distance between canines, okay? And that's what we are gonna cut. Now we have our wire, and to place it, what I advise is to place first all these flows, yeah? We will apply, of course, the teeth, the surface is already etched. We will apply the bond, and then we just place our fixed retainer, okay? We give them a bit of a shape, which is no need, because now what we are gonna do here is with the floss, okay, we just pull it and place it down, yeah? We go this tooth by tooth, it will be placing in position, yeah, here. So here we have all the flosses with the wire there, tight. We just hold all the dental floss, okay, and then we just place the flow and light.